Neha Vyas from Sai Amrit Textile House. We are manufacturers and wholesalers specially deal in lehenga and sarees. In this video, I am going to show all the variety regarding the lehenga collection. You can see this is our factory outlet in which you will get all the designs about lehenga, in which you will get bridal concept, party wear concept, boutique concept. Every concept you will get from here. We are in Surat. We are situated in Surat, especially Gujarat. If you want to visit in our city or at our firm, you can visit also, or you can order at online. We have lots of varieties in lehenga collection. You can see in this video I am going to show all these varieties one by one. You can choose from this also, and you can choose from all this also, in which you can contact us on the given number you can see on the screen, in which you will get all the products, all the prices, all the collection, all the colors, everything you will get. In the first variety of the lehenga, you will get the velvet fabric. You can see heavy velvet fabric with golden zari work. You can see in this heavy jerkin diamonds work on this. Starting to end, all lehenga is full of work. You can see this all waist border. And I also want to say that the size of the waistline is up to 44 you want to purchase. So up to 44 size you will get from here. In this lehenga I will show the dupatta. Tone to tone matching dupatta with heavy double side border you will get with golden zari work. Heavy glitter work with booty concept. You can see this. And the blouse piece also you will get like this. This is the blouse piece with work here. If you also want to see the lehenga in detail, you can contact us on the given numbers which are shown in the screen. In the second variety of the lehenga, you can see this lehenga is totally of pastel color lehenga with silver glitter work, heavy glitter work with silver glitter and jerkin diamonds work. In the edges of the lehenga, here you will get the checks pattern in which all the jerkin diamonds are putted, and the waistline also you will get the work. This. I want to show the dupatta. Same to same matching dupatta you will get. Four-sided border with silver glitter work and booty concept work. And the blouse piece you will get like this. You can see heavy work you will get in this front, back, sleeves, everything. If you want to know the prices of the lehenga or the colors, we have many colors in every lehenga. We have lots of variety, as I said. In every lehenga you will get 5 to 6 colors. In some lehengas you will get 9 to 8 colors. So if you want to see the lehengas variety or anything regarding the lehenga variety, you can contact us on this given number which are shown in the screen. In the second variety of the lehenga you will get heavy georgette work or heavy georgette fabric, in which sequence work you will get with embroidery work, or I can say in India the lehenga's work is of Lucknowi work. Fully sequence work lehenga with proper flare, starting to end you will get heavy proper with can-can. You can see this is the flare of the lehenga, and heavy can-can you will get in every lehenga. You want to see the detailing of the lehengas, so contact us on the given number. I want to show the dupatta also. This is the dupatta. Net dupatta with four-sided white embroidery or colorful embroidery work with sequence work in the center of the dupatta. This is the blouse piece. In the blouse piece also you will get heavy work starting to end. This is the length of the blouse piece of georgette fabric with sequence work, Lucknowi work on it. In the next variety I am going to show. This is the next variety. You can see every lehenga have different concept, different work, different fabric. This fabric is of silk fabric with sequence work on it. You can see this is all sequence work with pearl work. This is the pearl work with resham work. In the edges of the lehenga, you can see in the border of the lehenga, this lehenga is of fringe pattern of net fabric, and the sequence work, heavy work you will get in starting to end all over the lehenga. You can see like this. I'm going to show the dupatta also. This is so beautiful. You can see this with double-sided fringe pattern net border you will get. Four-sided with booty concept, in which you will get resham work with moti work starting to end, full center. I also want to show the blouse piece of the lehenga. This is the blouse piece of the lehenga. I also want to repeat that if you want to know the prices of the lehenga, each lehenga, you can screenshot this lehenga or send us to the given number. You will get the variety also, you will get the lehenga price, color, everything you will get. In the next lehenga, you will see this lehenga of wine color. This is the net fabric. You will get net fabric with glitter work, silver jerkan diamonds. Put it all over the lehenga from the starting to end. You can see the edge of the lehenga in which you will get this checks pattern. In checks pattern also you will get the heavy jerkan diamonds work with cut work border. This is the cut work border. Heavy cut work border with the fabric as I want. So this is the pure silk fabric in the astar type. In the edge of the lehenga you will get this type of can, double layer can. If I said that the layer wise, this lehenga contains 5 to 6 layers. This is the first layer, you can see. This is the second layer and the third and the fourth one. This is the fifth one and this is the sixth. You can see 6 layer lehenga you will get from Sai Amrit Textile House. We have lots of varieties like this also. We have lots of varieties of other variety also. You can contact us. You will get everything regarding your choice. I want to show the dupatta also. This is the dupatta, same to same color matching with cut work border. Heavy cut work border in which you will get glitter work, jerkan diamonds work, heavy work with booty concept. This is the booty concept, you can see. Finishing work you will get in every lehenga. As you purchase of 250 rupees lehenga or purchase 50,000 rupees lehenga, you will get the finishing work also. I also want to say that we also provide the customization. Customization is what? That you will get the lehenga as per your choice. You can give us the design or we can provide you the lehenga as per your choice. Or also want to say that the lehenga's quantity is much. In the next lehenga you can see this lehenga is of ochre yellow color. Ochre yellow color with heavy golden zari work on it. Heavy golden zari with golden jerkan diamonds, golden stones, golden mirror work. With this is the accessories. You will get this the accessories with cut work border. This is the cut work border like this. You will get heavy with proper layer wise concept. You can see this is a layer, heavy layer cotton silk fabric. I also want to show the dupatta. Look, this is the dupatta. Same to same color matching dupatta with 4-sided border, golden zari, golden stones, diamonds work. Heavy double sided border. You can see this is the heavy double side border in this dupatta. And the blouse piece of pure cotton silk fabric. This is the cotton silk fabric, you can see, with proper length. Heavy length you will get in this lehengas, dupatta, blouse piece, everything you will get. And the prices, I repeat the prices. If you want to know the prices, you can contact us on the given number. You will get everything regarding your purchase, the order, the process, the details. Everything you will get from there. In the next variety of the lehenga, you can see this is the bridal concept. Bridal concept in which you will get heavy velvet fabric with golden zari work and resham work in this with the figure work. You can see this is the peacock pattern. Figure work you will get in this lehenga. I want to show the dupatta also. This is the dupatta, you see. Tone to tone matching, same matching dupatta with 4-sided border. And the booty concept are so beautiful, so nicely put it this like. And the blouse piece like this. You can see blouse piece also will get with figure work. This is the front, this is the back, and this is the sleeves. Everything you will get in every lehenga. We have many more varieties. You can select from this also. You can select from other varieties also. Just contact us or anything you can choose. In the next lehenga you will get this also is of bridal concept. Bridal concept with dark magenta color you can get, in which you will heavy golden zari, resham work, pearl work. This is the all pearl work put it here. Starting to end, this is the different heat design like this. Heavy design. Dupatta is of contrast color. This is the dupatta with baby pink color with 4-sided same lehenga's color. You can see this is the lehenga color. Like this with velvet fabric, pearl work on it. And the blouse piece like this. Blouse piece are so beautiful. You can see this is the blouse piece with soft velvets. Velvet is so nice with front, back, sleeves. You will get everything. In the next variety I am going to show. This is the next variety. So beautiful. Color is also so beautiful. Likewise, all the work is so beautiful. You can see this work is of totally jerkan diamond work. Heavy silver zari, golden zari will get everything. This is a checks pattern. If you can see this heavy velvet with patchwork you will get. Starting to end in this lehenga also you will get heavy work with proper layer, with proper can finishing work. Everything you will get with everything. I also want to show the dupatta. Look, this is the dupatta. Dupatta is of same color with booty concept. You will get this, the border you can see with velvet, and the blouse piece. Look, blouse piece so nicely worked on it with handwork. In the next variety, we have different colors, different varieties, different concepts. If you contact us, you will get everything. In this next lehenga, you will get light blue color lehenga with golden zari and silver work. You can see heavy silver work is there, and the Jargon diamonds work you will get, and the booty concept in the all over the lehenga. In the end of the lehenga, you will get like this work. I want to show the dupatta also. This is the dupatta, you can see. This is the dupatta with 4-sided border. Same work lehenga with same border and the same blouse piece. Heavy work, you can see this. I also want to say that we also provide this stitching facility. You will get the stitching also from here if your order is in quantity. If your order is in quantity, you will get the stitching also, or you can for further inquiries contact us. You will get everything. In this lehenga, you will get net lehenga with silver golden zari work, heavy silver zari, golden zari work, resham work, starting to end with flower pattern like girlish and bridal mix. You will get this, the flare. Flare are so beautiful in every lehenga. You just contact us, you can get everything as per your choice, as per your needs, as per your everything. Dupatta also want to show this, the dupatta, same matching dupatta with 4-sided border. In this border also you will get silver zari, Jargon diamond work with booty concept, and the blouse piece of net fabric. This is a net fabric, you can see, with heavy work. Everything you will get. As I said, we have many varieties, many concepts in lehenga also, in sarees also. If you want to see the saree collection, you can visit our previous video in which you will get the saree also. But if you want to purchase the lehenga, you can contact us on the given number. You can select from all this variety also which I had shown, or you can see the variety of different concept also which we have. So contact us if you require the lehenga or anything. Thank you.